What is that? What is it? They're chunks.
She doesn't even see it. Why don't you notice?
Hand her one. Here you go, bud. Here you go, bud.
Push it around.
I bet.
Good. Usually you're enthralled when something's on your... Oh, now you want to play baby and be fed? Come on. Put it in your mouth. What do you do? Where do you put everything else? Huh? You're just gonna... Move it around, huh? Freddie, where does that go? Oh my. At the beginning of messy... Buggy, you put everything in your mouth usually. Are you serious?